2001 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 liter. What we got done on it, still got the stock converters right there and right there. Then we straight piped it single, 2.5 inch all the way back, right there on one side. He wanted to eliminate the muffler, so we went ahead and eliminated the muffler right there. Looks really nice and clean. Let you guys hear it in a second. 2005 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 liter V8. Got some pretty 24s on it. Really nice truck. Got factory converters there and there. And then we did something special that you guys like. True duals. All the way back 2 inch. And then we completed it with 2.25 tailpipes. Out the back on each side with 6 inch tips. Or 5 inch tips, sorry guys. Angle cut. There it is, right there. And right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. Again. Sounds a lot better. Now it's actually traveling through the whole car, you know. Got deeper. See the look? Yeah, now you believe me when I told you go with 5 inch tips, they look a lot better? That's good. Let's see how she sounds when he leaves. True dual.